Hello YouTube. Here's a quick video showing some of the features of a Wilton Machinist bench vise. Looks like we have a 8-inch jaw. It's about 10 inches tall and about 21 inches length. Looks like the maximum jaw opening of this thing I'd say right about 8 inches, probably no more than 7 inches of usable, being it's bottomed out. And we have a dimension here of 4 inches. It's actually a fairly heavy-duty vise, and it's not very old. It's probably about 20 years, I'm guessing. All it says on it is Wilton and the number 93, which I'm not sure if that's a model number or the year it was cast. Now, one thing I don't know about this model is where it was produced. There's no stamping on it that would say Made in USA or China or Taiwan or Hong Kong or anything like that. So if anyone has any ideas as to what the model number and when it was produced exactly, or where it was made, please leave a comment. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.